Meyer Academy's annual Scholastic Chess Tournament will be held on Sunday, March 3rd in West Palm Beach, Florida. Elementary, middle, and high school chess players are invited to participate. Players will complete 5 games of chess from about 9 in the morning to 3 in the afternoon. Students will receive a participation souvenir, and the top scorers and teams in each section will be awarded beautiful trophies. Free raffle prizes will be drawn during the trophy ceremony. The tournament will be run by T.D. John Haskell. Register by February 28th for $15 or pay $20 at the door. For more information or to receive a tournament flyer, email chess@meyeracademy.org. The Meyer Academy Chess Tournament is an annual event. Join in the fun and attend this year.